Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a college financial aid appeal letter. What is a college financial aid appeal letter? A college financial aid appeal letter is a formal written request submitted by a student or their representative to a college or university's financial aid office. The purpose of this letter is to request a review and potential adjustment of the student's financial aid package. Typically, a student writes this letter when there has been a significant change in their financial circumstances, such as unexpected financial hardship due to factors like job loss, medical expenses, or other financial challenges. The appeal letter explains the change in circumstances and provides any necessary documentation to support the request for additional financial aid. The goal of a college financial aid appeal letter is to persuade the financial aid committee to reconsider the student's financial aid package and potentially offer more aid in the form of grants, scholarships, work-study, or loans. These letters are an important means for students to secure the financial support they need to pursue higher education when their initial financial aid offer may not be sufficient to meet their educational expenses. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a college financial aid appeal letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your full name. And write your home address. After that, write the date of the letter. For the next, write the information about the recipient. It is okay if you don't know their name. Just mention the name of the office or admission. And write the name of the university or college or institution. Write also the address of the college or institution or university. You need to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, open the letter with salutation. Since you don't know their name, you can simply write Dear Sir or Madam, or to whom it may concern. Once you're done, you can start writing the first paragraph. Give a warm greeting like I hope this letter finds you well. And tell the recipient the reason why you are writing this letter. The reason is of course you ask the recipient to review your financial aid package. So, you can simply write, I am writing to request a review of my financial aid package for the upcoming academic year at Springfield University. Mentioning the name of the university is necessary here. After that, you need to introduce yourself. Yes, just write your full name as well as your student ID. In this example, the writer stated that her name is Sarah Johnson, and her student ID is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After that, state clearly that you are a student of the university by mentioning your majority. For example, the writer stated, I have been honored to be accepted into the computer science program. And show your excitement to attend the college. You can write something like I am enthusiastic about the opportunity to attend Springfield University. This is to convince the recipient that you are happy being accepted and ready to start studying, and to show that you are serious about it. In the second paragraph, this is where you start telling the recipient how you are financially in hardships now. You can tell the reason why. For example, you can write, unfortunately, my family's financial situation has changed significantly. And tell when this hardships start. In this example, it starts since the writer submitted her initial FAFSA application. And then, tell more details about the reason why you are in financial hardships now. Here, the writer's father lost his job due to unforeseen circumstances. You just need to be honest here and don't make up stories. And convince the recipient how hard this situation is for you. You can write, this has placed an unexpected burden on our ability to cover the cost of tuition and other educational expenses. You really need to convince the recipient that the financial aid package feels so heavy for you and family now because of the current circumstances you had to face. If the first paragraph is about introduction, and the second is about telling your financial hardships, now, in the third paragraph, this is where you state your request. You can simply write, "I kindly request that the Financial Aid Committee reconsider my financial aid package to better reflect my current financial need." This is a polite way to ask, and you can use this text if you don't know what to write. Tell the recipient how crucial it is for you to get your request approved. You can write something like, "Your assistance in ensuring that I can pursue my education without undue financial hardship would be greatly appreciated." Again, your job here is to convince the recipient. Make your words promising and convincing. Show how their help is precious for you. In the fourth paragraph, you need to thank the recipient for their time and consideration. And write that you look forward to hearing from the recipient soon. Besides that, it is necessary that you welcome the recipient to contact you. You can simply write, "Please feel free to contact me." And there is how you give your personal contact information like phone number and email address. Here, the recipient may require any additional information or documentation about your request. So you need to provide it here. And finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name as well as your student ID under it. So, that's how you write a college financial aid appeal letter. I hope the recipient approve your request. And I hope you can pursue your education and your dreams. Thank you for watching, and see you on top, my bestie.